guys, before we get into today's video, I've got to let you know 20 times entries is live right now on thisjustasix.com, meaning you can grab anything like this hoodie and get 20 times entries automatically to win either this Grand Sport Corvette or this Saleen Supercharged Mustang. Now is your best shot. 20 times entries to win both cars. Go to thisjustasix.com, grab anything like this hoodie. And with that being said, guys, let's hop into today's video. This is about to be the last cold start with this thing with a stock exhaust. Yep, we're about to fix that. It's already a little bit louder with the H-pipe that we put in it, but we've got a Corsa exhaust that we're gonna be throwing on this car in the next few days, and I can't wait to hear how this thing sounds. As you guys probably remember, a few years ago, I bought my mom this Kia Stinger GT, and she has loved it ever since. But unfortunately, she tried to wash the car the other day and grabbed the wrong sponge from underneath the cabinet. And it was the sponge that was used for grouting the backsplash of her kitchen. So sadly, it ended in a lot of scratches. Let's go ahead, get this thing dropped off for a paint correction, get it back home, coat it, and then take it out racing.
Good?
Great.
Oh, is it on?
No.
Okay.
You driving?
Yeah.
You gonna beat my mom ass?
Oh, we racing.
I heard from a little birdie.
Huh?
I heard from a little birdie that you would get beat by Jess.
In what?
In that.
No. Am I following y'all?
I told my mom that you were talking shit.
Yes, you were talking shit about me? No, never. Yes, that sounds suspicious.
You're not gonna let her win, huh?
No, I've already put it in sport mode.
Oh, Avery already texted me and said that mom's car was in sport mode.
Oh shit.
Yeah! Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3! Bad.
Don't worry. I mean, I did leave it fourth because we were kind of like already up in RPO, but like, holy crap! I did not just get beat by your mom.
Go try again.
Okay.
I honestly cannot believe how fast that thing is. That is so fast! Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3! Oh my god. Oh!
I got it that time.
I don't know who won. That car is fast.
It goes so fast, I just can't handle it.
So after we bought our last giveaway car, the Camaro from this man here. Yeah, dude, there it was. He got this instead. This is sick. Have you seen our new car? We just got one.
Huh? Yeah, the old one.
Yeah.
It's cool. You're
We're
doing
about to-
twins?
I don't know what we're gonna do. We might even just do an NA build on it. Can I ask what you're doing with the?
Look, I can't ruin my fresh white New Balances. So
Do you see the
I told you I'm redneck.
shorts and the boots, man?
It's already oxidized. I see that. Yeah, it's actually marked as shit.
He said, "Yeah, it's actually marred as shit." Here, like, come check this out. Isn't that wild?
No, we're hitting this hard. Jesus Christ. Yeah, we were like saying, oh, it's probably not that bad.
He said it doesn't even look that bad.
Doesn't?
I mean,
Hello.
I heard you have great washing techniques.
I do.
I've been trying to get her to come over here. She said she needed a job anyway.
That's true.
The next day.
All right, we have made it back over here to Sammer's place. He got this car done in one freaking night. I can't even believe that. Oh my gosh, dude. That's stand up service right there.
Oh, yeah. Dude, the engine bay looked like it was just like sodium chloride, like left and right, and it was disgusting.
Did you get it better? Do you know what it's from?
No.
She works at a refinery, so she has to drive back and forth with
gravel
this
roads
car.
or what?
Yeah,
Yeah,
dude.
that's
Gravel
what it
roads and chemicals and all that.
I mean, it's an acceptable.
Oh my god! Okay, that's a flex, is what that is, man. That's you killed it with that.
They made the manifold.
Oh, so that's what it looked like before. And that is after. We're gonna extra coat this one and put 2 coats.
Put 4.
Yeah, we'll put 4 coats. We're gonna make a new clear coat out of ceramic coating.
You see this like on all the chrome, for example?
Oh
like,
my God.
This was everywhere. And this is like after scrubbing it with everything. That's after. So.
Oh my god.
She's gonna be very happy.
All right. We have made it back home with the Stinger. This thing looks incredibly glossy. It's hard to believe that it's gonna get even better than this. But even though all of the scratches are now gone from the Stinger, it is time to get this thing coated up and take this paint and make it look even more glossy and deep. Let's get started. Hey! Hi! I gotta show you something.
Right now?
Surprise! You wanna see what it looks like?
My God. What in the world?
This is what it looked like before.
Yeah.
And that's the line.
Holy.
It hasn't even been coated yet. This is just raw paint.
Oh my
So
God.
it's gonna get coated and then it's gonna be way, way shinier, glossy, deeper, and it'll actually bead water.
You can't even see any of the things that I had done. Oh my God. We did the inside too?
Did the inside too.
It looks like a brand new car. What? I know that took a lot of work because that thing was nasty looking. Oh my God, that's embarrassing. Did you go a little fast over here?
Oh yeah, we were cleaning it out.
Yeah. Oh my God, it looks so
Look at
good.
this.
I honestly thought that I had like ruined it forever. I was thinking it looked really cloudy lately, you know what I mean?
Yeah. So now we'll be able to coat it and get it all protected for the future. It won't happen again. It has a little bit of spots on it, so we got to alcohol the whole car down and then coat the whole car. I'll have to get your help on it, and then after that, as long as you take care of the car and whatever, which I'll show you how, it's easy. It'll all stay looking like this forever. Well, for at least 2 years, that is. Right now, we're installing Avalon King's Armor Shield 9, which is 3 for $99, saving $125 for Cyber Monday, by the way. You can click the link below, and on top of all this, you'll get an additional 30 to 50% off everything else. Just a reminder, you can coat all surfaces so easy at home using this kit, so there's really no reason you shouldn't click that link down below. Okay, y'all, this is like actually insane amount of gloss. This car looks so good now. What say ye of Avalon King coating?
Oh, I love it.
2 hours later.
My mom's portable office is getting loaded back up in her car because they are headed out. Luckily we had time to let the coating cure and everything looks so freaking good, dude. So smooth. Just in time for their road trip. The best part about it is that it is pretty rainy outside, and typically that would be a big worry, except for the fact that her car is now ceramic coated. So all of this water and rain that's happening outside is just gonna bead right off whenever she gets home and make it so easy to keep clean. No, y'all can't leave.
I thought you'd be tired of us by now.
No.
You kind of
See
like
how
Jeffrey
spacious-
Dahmer, like those eyebrows.
Jeffrey Dahmer.
They're like vaguely serial killer.
I just want to record a video.
Thanks, Avalon King.
Y'all are gonna get home so much faster now with no friction on the car. Pull that thing out and let me do some water testing real quick.
Okay.
Give it a cold start! Yeah! Guys, huge thanks to Avalon King for helping make this happen. This car desperately needed some love after years of, well, not the best maintenance as far as paint goes. Now, hands down, this thing looks better than brand new. And the best part about it is that this shine is guaranteed to last for years. You gotta pour it.
Where?
So where it would normally have stuck to it.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that wild? Well, dang, there you go. I love you. Bye. Drive safe. Looks so much better. Bye. Well, off she goes, dude.